Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another Steam tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about how to find pretty much a lot of different types of games. So we have trending games, hot releases, popular releases, and top rated games of like pretty much all time, right? So Steam does a pretty good job at a lot of this stuff, but this website right here called SteamDB, it'll be the first link down below. It does a very, very good job into going a lot more in depth and giving a lot more categories for you to search through, right? So obviously this is the first front page whenever you get on SteamDB, as you can see right over here. And as you can see, it has most games played by players now. This is on Steam as well, so this is kind of like, you know, it's cool, but Steam already has this. But these right here, this is what I really like. So it has a trending games section as well, and it shows games that have pretty much trended upwards in terms of player base, which I think is very cool to see. This is usually due to either a new big update, a new sale, or a big personality online played it and people enjoyed the gameplay and decided to play it on their own. Then we have popular releases. This is based on just pure numbers, pure how many players played it. Obviously, Lego Star Wars just came out, so it is at the peak today. And hot releases, this is also a very good one to look at. It pretty much goes by, you know, how many players, you know, got it, but also how good it is, right? Like in terms of rating. So it kind of balances both out. And also, the last thing I wanted to show you, this is going to be another link that I'm going to give to you guys. It's going to be a second link down below. This is the top rated games on Steam. And you can kind of like do different stuff here. Top 25. If you flip this back, you're going to see pretty much the bottom 25. That kind of makes sense, right? But what's it called? This one I really enjoy. You know, this is just like one of those like little tacky things that you can look up, like, oh, I wonder who's the most rated and this and stuff like that. I think it's a pretty cool thing to look at, see what the games that people really enjoy are. And yeah, you can obviously click on all this stuff and see a lot more information about it, even what it costs in different countries, which is again pretty cool in my opinion. Pretty cool thing to check out. But that's pretty much gonna do it. But all the links will be down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one.